Hey, what's up? My name's Samuel Leeds. Right now I'm standing in Pontefract, right near Wakefield. I want to introduce you to my favourite rugby players on the planet. Got my man Jesse and Q. What team do you play for?
Casper Tigers.
Oh, and Keithley Cougars.
I've not heard of Keithley Cougars.
Hey, you're gonna hear of them now, bro.
Here's the thing, right? These guys learned about service departments. You know, you came to Crash Course a few years ago.
That's it.
Yeah.
Started building their portfolio, stepped into service departments, rent to rent, and they were like, actually, you know what? You don't need to just rent a property. You can go straight to a developer and rent a whole block. So we're standing outside the Cube. The Cube.
What's up,
so
everyone?
tell me about this. What's happening?
Let's go, man. This is 12 apartments. There's 1, 2 better, but we're going to show you around.
All right.
Let's go.
Okay. Show us around.
Pretty much the cube is full. I think we've got 2 rooms that are available right now.
So this is like a hotel.
So it's like, yeah, similar to a hotel, but you get a kitchen, and obviously the space is a lot bigger than hotel.
Oh, it's better than a hotel, right? So there's 12 apartments.
Yeah, 12 apartments.
You're controlling the entire building.
Yeah.
Man, let's go around. Let's go
Let's have
around.
a look. Welcome to the crib. This was just a normal key door to get open for key, but obviously with the amount of guests that are coming in and out, we needed to put in like a security system. So
We used this last night, you know, when we got here.
Yeah.
oh, did you?
Yeah, we used this.
Yeah. So you got to put in the code. Obviously, I won't tell you the code now.
What's with this in the communal areas?
So that's our Wi-Fi. So it's called mesh Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
So all it is, you get 1 or 2 routers put in,
Okay.
and then you just buy a mesh Wi-Fi.
Because there was one of these in my room as well.
Yeah.
Is this like a communal Wi-Fi or something, or is this?
It just gives a better signal to these apartments down here.
Do you know what the most important thing people want when they're staying?
Wi-Fi.
Yeah, 100%.
Fast
Yeah.
Wi-Fi.
So that just bounces off all the other ones that we got in all the rooms.
Oh
Yeah.
right.
Yeah.
The Wi-Fi was fast.
Well,
Yeah.
The Wi-Fi was fast.
Thank you. I can do it myself.
Okay, so you got.
You made it happen.
I made it happen.
You made it happen.
I watched YouTube and I made it happen.
So you've got 12 apartments, 10 are full right now.
Yeah.
So which ones are available? Can we have a look in?
Yeah.
We've got number 7.
Yeah.
7
and 9.
These.
So these are not that one, but that one opens up as soon as the fire alarms go off.
Yeah.
That opens up automatically.
Would you get through that? Would you just have to jump real high?
Don't be
Oh yeah, it's all like Jess.
And then just
Get Jess told me. Just get Jess to
It'd just be like, it'd be almost tormenting, wouldn't it? There's a fire and you're like,
Just thought we'd show this part of the systemized checking, so we don't have to come in and literally check you in. You put in your code, you get your key, and then you're in.
I think later we're going to look to getting the security codes on here as well. Security
Okay.
locks.
Yeah.
That way they can just open up with their mobile phones.
nice.
So yeah, that's later on.
That's nice. Yeah. The thing is, here's the thing, right? Everything's being automated.
Yeah.
When you go to a hotel, you don't need to speak to a receptionist.
Yeah.
You know, you don't need to speak to a receptionist.
No.
All you need is what does a receptionist do? Welcome, here's your key, off you go.
Yeah, yeah.
Like you don't need someone there.
Oh yeah,
So it's all about systemizing everything.
100%. Yeah.
All right, cool. This is nice.
Yep.
Yeah.
This is one of our 1-bedroom apartments.
There's one of our smaller ones.
Yeah.
So
As you can see, there's fridge, washing machine, everything you need to cook food as well, and that's something that hotels can't provide you with.
How long do you usually have guests stay here? Do they stay for one night, a week, or how long?
it's a 2-night minimum.
Yep.
Yeah.
And then, but we have guests who have booked in for 2 weeks. We've got one that's in for 3 weeks. One that's been in for 5 days and extended for another week. So
Yeah.
Nice.
so it's.
I'm here for 2 nights.
Yeah.
I mean, my man Darwin's here for 2 nights.
Yeah,
That's it,
yeah.
that's
And the thing is, we booked a 1 bed,
Yeah.
like the same as this, although the layout's a little bit different.
Yeah.
But Darwin was on the sofa bed. This
Yeah.
turns into a bed.
Yeah, and we had really good feedback from D as well about how comfortable it is.
Yeah, no, they are. This does not look that comfortable.
No, it doesn't look it, but yeah.
But it
It looks to be
is.
deceiving though, eh? You know?
Yeah, it doesn't. And also, even as a bed, you know, you roll this out.
Yeah.
It's a comfortable bed.
Yeah.
The double bed, I noticed as well. I was in the double bed and I'm like, this is a zip bed.
Zip
Yeah,
bed. I was
This
about
is
to
a
mention-
zip bed. Talk me through. Show me the double room and talk me through that.
So most of them are zip beds. Some are just double.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But most, I think this is just a double bed.
Yeah.
But
What is a zip bed and why is it important?
so a zip bed is a bed that you can separate into singles
Yeah.
or bring them into doubles. So obviously, if you're with your wife, like Jesse loves to sleep next to his wife, you can bring it together. But then when they fight, you can separate it. And then, you know, you can put
I
it
mean, all
in single-
seriousness, all right, let's say me and Darwood
Yeah.
want to book a place together.
Yeah.
We just want to book a one room,
Yeah.
but we don't want to share a bed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You could have set.
Yeah.
Oh man, no. You can technically get 3 people
Yeah.
on a sofa bed.
Yeah.
Separate the double bed.
Separate the double beds.
Yeah.
And
I can have
create
3
them as
people in a
singles.
one bed thing, or you can have one person there.
Yeah.
It's flexible.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So when people are booking it, you can advertise it multiple ways, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Which
Well,
is clever.
We use that strategy because a lot of our guests are contractors as well.
Yeah.
And contractors like to be separated.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah. a lot
That's
of
like us
our-
right now, we're
yeah.
contractors.
Yeah.
No, I'm here to work.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
You know?
true, true. That's
I'm a
it.
contractor right
Yeah.
now. I don't know what he is. I don't know what he is.
Who's
This
the
is
main
nice.
man? They do.
He's the main
Yeah, the
man.
main
So,
man.
so furniture, where'd you get the furniture from? What's the crack?
Yeah. So TMT Furniture.
Yeah. Big
yeah,
shout out.
Big shout out to TMT
T, let's go.
for
Yeah.
Looking
hooking us
after
up
us.
with the furniture, which is which is really
And as
nice
well,
to see.
negotiating this contract
Yeah.
straight with the developer. You said you had your man James come down.
Yes.
Yeah.
What happened?
Murphy.
Yeah, so James Murphy, he made the trip, 2-hour trip to come and kind of
Yeah.
talk to the developers while we're
Sick,
here as well, and then help us get the deal over the line.
Were you like, I know you've done quite a lot of service departments prior to this.
Yeah.
Were you scared going this big?
Oh, yeah, what?
Yeah. He was scared.
I was just not scared of anything.
No.
But yeah, but I was a bit hesitant, but
Yeah.
I just had my faith in just to jump forward with it. And then-
Yeah, and it's
yeah,
worked.
It's worked, yeah.
How much profit you expected to make? Should I say, is this expected? I know you brought joint ventures and stuff in.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
how much profit is this expected to make every month?
So at 70% occupancy, we've calculated about 600 to 800 quid a month per apartment.
Oh,
So
wow.
yeah, that's
Okay.
times that by 12.
So call it 700 on average
Yeah,
per,
yeah, okay,
per
700,
apartment, times 12. So you expected to make about £8,400 a month profit
Profit, yeah.
in total, which you're going to share with
Share
your,
profit
your-
of investors,
with our
yeah.
investors.
How many investors you pulled in?
7.
7 investors.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, 7
Yeah.
investors.
How much money did you put into this?
Zero.
That's the way. That's the way to go. Right.
Hey.
Zero.
Hold on, how much money did we put in? We put in. Yeah, nothing. It's very nice as well, new build.
Yeah.
See, another thing is this: your first service department, the quality was poor, man.
Yeah.
You tried to copy me, in Sheffield, but you didn't quite get the X factor on it.
Well, yeah, like I said before, we try to cut corners
Yeah.
and try to not put everything into that apartment, and we
Yeah.
thought we could make it work, and we
And that's
learned
why
that we
all our
can't.
stuff is brand new now.
Now,
Yeah, now we know.
you go brand new.
All
So,
brand new.
you know, you can't be going to a
luxury.
charity shop
Nah.
to get your furniture,
Yeah,
man.
no, it's like when we want guests, it's like shopping through the window. If a guest sees something that they're interested in, then they'll go into the shop and look further. So
Yeah.
when our property's on the market, the pictures and the quality of it needs to look good.
So
And you say as well, the way you speak, it sounds to me like your biggest competitor are the hotels.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because you keep like making little subliminal shade at the hotels. Like, you don't get this in a hotel, you don't get this. Even your guests are like, it's much better than the Premier Inn. How long are you staying here for, and what's the experience been like so far?
We're here for 4 days. Experiences is perfect. Exactly what we need for the 4-day stay. Nothing more to say really. Absolutely fantastic.
How do you think it compares to Premier Inn?
Oh, much better.
Much better than Premier Inn. Do you hear that? Do you hear that, Premier Inn? Don't sue us.
We can actually cook.
But that's the funny thing.
Yeah.
You know, the hotels don't like us doing this
Yeah.
No.
because we are making a lot of money, like they're making a lot of money, but we
Yeah.
haven't got the staff.
No.
We don't have
That's
to
right,
own the properties.
That's
It's
right,
a great
yeah.
business model.
Yeah.
You know, can we head down to another room or maybe even
Let's
my
go.
room?
Yeah, we go to another room up here.
Yeah, great. Wow,
Yeah.
look at
This
this.
is number 9.
Oh, yes. Yeah, yes. This is where I would have booked if it said to me, we've got no other available apart from one bed. I'm like, come on, punk, I can see.
That's Charlotte Management, the wives. Go talk to them. Go talk to them.
Now your wives as well, talking of your wives were like proper unsure at the beginning.
Yeah.
Now you employ them full time in the company.
Yeah.
They run the show.
They run the show. Yeah.
They make it happen. So while you guys are doing rugby, they're running the show on the property side of the
Yeah.
business.
So we'll still go out and get deals and view view properties, and while they kind of look after all the management side of things,
Right.
but also come to what if we think that property is good enough for SA, then we'll bring them along to kind of confirm it.
Yeah. But the thing is, it's interesting. You've got like an ironing board,
everything,
a
yeah.
mop.
Yeah.
So when the guests come,
Vacuum,
it's almost like home from home.
Like
Yeah.
going for home.
Yeah.
That's what we want to
All right,
try
so guaranteed this is a zip bed.
Yeah. Oh, is it? Yeah.
It will be. I just feel
Yeah,
it. in my
it
bones.
is.
Okay, so what is a zip bed? I'm not gonna pull the covers off because it's made so
Yeah.
wonderfully. But what is a zip bed?
So a zip bed is like a double that you can separate into singles, so you can bring them in. And
Ah,
pull them
yes.
to- yeah.
So you can literally just pull this apart,
Yeah, pull this apart.
move the things over,
Yeah.
and then you can share a double room.
Yeah.
Great stuff. Yeah, I love it, love it, love it. Well, I want to say as well, I stayed here last night, and I thought it was an incredible stay.
Yeah.
You know, so you guys are doing an
thank you.
incredible job.
Thank you.
You know, you created a great product. Another sofa bed as well. So yeah, you get 3 people in here.
Yeah.
1 on the bed, unzip the bed, 2 there.
Yeah.
Awesome, awesome, love it. So when did you take this on?
3 weeks ago.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah, 3 weeks. Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
wait.
sorry, we got it ready 3 weeks ago. We took it on. About
You've already got it pretty much fully rented.
yeah.
That's
So,
impressive.
yeah, which has been really good.
So where are you taking us now, Jesse?
This is our 2-bedroom. So this is our
Right.
2-bedder.
I love the individuality between them. They're all very different.
Yeah.
Yeah. So when you first advertised this, where did you stick it? Did you stick it on booking.com or where are you advertising this?
Yeah, booking.com and Airbnb.
Yeah.
And then we had some direct bookings as well. So the first number 1 was a direct booking.
Yeah.
So that was straight in.
How did you find them?
That one was word of mouth.
Yeah.
Someone just said, "Oh, these guys are open, like a hotel type of thing."
And
Like,
you know what I noticed as well? Everybody knows you guys around this area. I walk into the cafe, they'll be like, yeah, everyone knows you.
Oh, everybody's here. Everybody's here.
Everybody is Samuel.
Nice to meet you, alright?
Good to meet you, man.
Someone that pretty much started us with the property journey.
Yeah?
Yeah, we went and done his course in Birmingham.
His nickname is the People's Champ because of how.
And you even look a bit like The Rock. If The Rock grew a ponytail.
That's Michael. That's Michael.
No.
No, just,
You look the same as well. You guys, you're from the same area, right?
no, he's from Sydney.
I'm from Sydney.
I'm from Brisbane, so I'm from the better area.
No, I
of
mean you
Australia.
originate. You originate.
Oh yeah, Samoa. So we're both
Which is the
Samoan.
same island as where Dwayne Johnson's from.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
So I genuinely did believe that you were The Rock's relative. I'm like, I can
Yeah,
see it.
I get that a lot. Yeah.
So good. So just talk me through then, you know, some of the lessons through this project. You know, some of the things that you've had to look out for.
I just think all the compliances that we need, you know, obviously we're good at getting the deals and talking to developers and stuff like that, but the stuff our wives are doing now is probably something that we could do, systemizing check-ins, using uplisting for instance, checking guests in, taking deposits and stuff. That's something that we wouldn't know what to do.
Yeah, especially on a scale like this, we're used to just doing
One
one
at a
property,
time.
but with 12 apartments in the one block,
Yeah.
that's like a whole different scale.
Location. How close is it to the centre?
20-second walk.
20 seconds. Literally,
20
we walked down for breakfast this morning.
Yeah.
Really close walk.
Yeah.
So, no, I love it, guys. You did a
Nice.
great job. I'll be staying
Yeah.
more often for sure.
Yeah. We'll just charge you premium.
Exactly. Zero on the end.
Thank you everyone. This is Triline Property. I'm Jesse. This is Q. That's Samuel. Let's go. See the next clip.
Yeah, you know what? If you got questions for these guys as well about how they got started, you know how they do rugby alongside property, what are the projects they got going on? Put questions below. Maybe we should we'll do a full interview at some point. Where we can go through the whole story. If you want to see that, let us know in the comments. And yeah, see you next time.
Nice.